From the moment the finest basmati grains hit the water to the final layer of saffron and herbs, we ensure perfection in every tray.
Morning, ready for the early shift? Yes, let's get this done. Keep them coming. Make sure the tall stack is secure. We need to move faster if we want to finish this shipment today. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, moving to the line.
Faint, indistinct speech is present.
Send the next side down now, we are ready for it.
The pH level is 5.8. It meets the quality standards.
You want to make sure you get all the silver skin off right here. Precision is key to a quality cut.
We carefully scoop the freshly cut VT quality meat into these baskets, ensuring each one is perfectly leveled before steaming.
Here in the drums, we ensure the meat is perfectly coated in our signature yogurt and ginger garlic marinade. Biryani batches, 312 today.
Excellent separation. Minimal breakage detected. This lot meets the premium quality standards.
We start with the dry rice here. As it moves down, these high-pressure jets activate, ensuring every grain is perfectly cleaned before it moves to the drying stage.
The vibration speed seems faster today. We need to keep up the pace for the VT shipment.
Welcome to the blending facility. As you can see, this area is restricted to authorized personnel only to protect the integrity of our unique VT spice formulas.
This machine processes over a ton of spices an hour. The automated system ensures a consistent grind and unmatched efficiency.
This meticulous process ensures the purity of our saffron. We carefully weigh each batch before it is sealed for freshness. This meticulous process ensures the purity of our saffron. We carefully weigh each batch before it is sealed for freshness.
Place the packet flat, ensuring the QR code is visible before sealing. Another perfect seal. The magnification allows us to see the intricate details of the spice fibers. Adjusting the focus now.
Look at these perfectly uniform onion rings. The machine works so precisely. We feed the fresh slices directly into the hot oil. As they travel along the conveyor, they turn this beautiful golden brown, ready for packaging.
We carefully lift the golden brown birista, making sure it's perfectly crispy.
These rollers are set precisely to ensure the perfect crispy texture for our onion flakes. See how they break apart. Our barista is stored in these state-of-the-art humidity-controlled bins, ensuring maximum freshness and that perfect crunch every time.
Attention all workers. We are increasing the speed on the packaging line by 10%. Please maintain the VT quality standards.
As you can see, the spray arm ensures an even coat of hot oil. This minimizes waste and prepares the materials perfectly.
We ensure every grain meets the high standards of the VT group. The flow is perfect and the temperature is stable.
This marinade smells lovely today. It certainly does. Nice and tender, too.
The rotating drum ensures an even coating of golden barista, adding that essential crispy texture to the meat and rice as it moves down the line.
We apply the warm mist evenly across the layers, locking in the aroma and moisture.
We are now adding the thick layer of parboiled basmati rice. The VT process ensures perfect layering every time, as shown in this cross-section.
We apply the atta dough along the rim to perfectly seal the biryani, locking in the aroma and flavor before it moves down the line. Biryani sample VT9er, logging into the system now. It is secured and ready for the automated analysis. We use the heat seal machine to ensure the freshness of the biryani. The foil seals tightly around the rim.
That's 400 grams. Approved.
The machine precisely fills each pouch with the perfect amount of raita before it is carefully sealed and checked for quality.
Make sure the VT stamp is visible on all uniforms and the raita is secured.
Apply the nutrition label here and the expiry date just below, making sure it's sealed tight.
Okay, next batch coming through. Make sure they align perfectly on the pallet. We need to maximize space for the biryani.
Just a quick check on the temperature display. It reads 20.55 degrees, which is optimal.
The VT tracker confirms the blue truck is making excellent time on the alternate route. They should hit the checkpoint in roughly 10 minutes. Here are the 20 cases of biryani, chef. Perfect. Just finishing the signature now. Thank you.
Next target, we ant in Team Estens 100,000 meals wash day.
Advanced technology meets dedicated craftsmanship. This is how we build the future, right here at VT.